Hello everyone. I am Ankita Jangid, Assistant Professor. My today's topic is succession planning. This is the topic from Human Resource Management. Now let's start. What is succession planning? Succession means position fallen vacant or likely to fall vacant in a near future. In a large organization, executives working at the higher level retire from service due to age factor, or they may resign and join some other organization. The basic purpose of succession planning is to identify and develop human resource so that it can be replaced by the vacant seat. So, succession planning is the processor ensuring that qualified persons are available to assume key positions fall vacant due to untimely death, resignation, or retirements. Now, succession planning means whenever any position vacant, now it's important to fill that position immediately to avoid unnecessary delay in the projects or delay in your task. So, succession planning means doing the planning in advance related to all the vacant seat which may fall in future. Suppose there are some key executives, they are leaving your organization. Now, if you have done succession planning, then there will be no inconvenience in future as you have already decided who will take the position of that particular person. But if you are not doing succession planning, then what will happen? You may find delay in the recruitment process. It may take a long time to recruit another person for that key position. So, succession planning helps organization to identify the future vacant seat and find out the suitable qualified persons from that organization only to fill that vacant seat. And if the key positions, if the key persons are not available in an organization, that then you will take help from the outside recruiting agencies to fill that key position. Now next, what is the need of succession planning? Ensuring the continuous success of an organization. If you are not doing succession planning, then it may delay in your projects or it may bring delay in your task. Next, developing pool of qualified candidates to fill the key position in the organization near future. Now, what are you doing in succession planning? You are making a list of qualified candidates who are the person who can replace the near future position in your organization when they will vacant. Next, providing opportunities to existing employees. Now, in succession planning, what are you doing? You are first giving preference to your existing employees. And if you are not finding any qualified key persons in your organization, then you will hire from other external sources. So it's very important and it's play an important role to give weightage, to give importance to our existing employees. Creating competent successors by providing necessary knowledge and by training programs. If you are doing succession planning in your organization, then suppose your finding brings that there are no persons available at that moment. So what you can do? You can train your existing employees, you can facilitate them advanced training programs so that you can train according to your requirement, according to your future key positions. Now next, it is an attractive policy to retain the existing employees. Now it's very good point that if you are providing a good training to your employees, if you are providing all the facilities to your existing employees, then what will happen? You are able to retain your employees and it will help. Retaining the employees always helps in the long term. Next, succession planning helps in smooth functioning of an organization. Obviously, if you are doing succession planning then Whenever the seat will vacant, whenever the key positions will fall vacant, then there will be no gap. Next, it also helps to increase the feeling of loyalty in an employees. If you are able to retain your existing employees, then obviously it will help to increase the loyalty in your employees, and they will give a very good performance. They will work hard as you are giving preference to your existing employees. So succession planning play an important role in overall success of any organization, and it is the very important topic from human resource management. If I talk about the NT-NET exam, then many times this concept has been asked, what is succession planning? So you should know what is succession planning. Hope it will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.